This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the FORTNITE game on it. So to start, you will need to open whatever browser or search engine you prefer. I'll go with Google. Then input the FORTNITE APK query at the search bar. Amongst the results, look for official epicgames.com or fortnite.com websites. Then once you will go on those web pages, one of those web pages, confirm the download by tapping at the download anyway option. Then open the file, install the Epic Games Store app, then launch it. Onwards, open the FORTNITE game page and tap at the install button over there. So as you can see, once the FORTNITE game is downloaded but is yet to be installed, you will need to open settings and allow the unknown apps installation for the Epic Games Store, then confirm the FORTNITE installation as well. Then launch the game, and now you gotta wait for it to finish downloading all remaining updates, resources, and just remaining files in general. And after that process will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.